It's weird. I'm in a plant. Anyway, I've got a secret admirer. I can't tell you who it is, but she wanted me to do a song about nature. I don't know if I'm very good at it, but here goes. Oh, stems and flowers, plants and leaves. Oh, how my gestal region heaves. And I gotta say something about the election. Oh, super people from Virginia, you've got a lot of goodness in ya. Let's go, chica. Gulibapa, chica bapa boya. Choo, hoodum skeet mama, flat chuckawy, a diddly skin, wa, das Virginia chata, richie. I'm kinda happy tonight. Thanks for listening.